Today I've headed to Pembrokeshire National Park, which is one of 3 national parks here in Wales and one that is situated entirely on the coast. And today I'm heading for a hike around Bosherston Lily ponds to Broadhaven South and Barafundle Bay. I'm here with Laszlo. Not interested. And the hike starts from the village of Bosherston. There's a National Trust car park, which is £3 for 3 hours or £6 for all day. Free if you're a National Trust member. Now the hike is around 9 kilometres in total if you're doing the full loop, but you can shorten it if you like. Right, you ready? You ain't ready. Let's get cracking. Now, after a short 2-kilometre walk through the beautiful Bosherston Lily ponds, I've made it down to Broadhaven South Beach, which is one of my favourite in Pembrokeshire. It's golden sanded and backed by a sea of sand dunes. It's absolutely stunning. If you didn't want to park by Bosherston Lily ponds, there's another National Trust car park just above the dunes, which is a lot closer. It's dog friendly, and the most iconic feature is Church Rock, which protrudes triumphantly from the middle of the bay. Now I'm going to carry on around the cliffs and head to Barafundle. Come on, boy. Along the cliffs between Broadhaven and Barafundle, and as you can tell from behind me, they're absolutely stunning. Sheer limestone cliffs that drop off dramatically into the sea. There's a couple of hidden secluded beaches as well, which you can't actually get down to. You can only access by kayak, which is pretty cool. As the crow flies, it's 2 kilometres from Broadhaven to Barafundle, but if you weave along the cliffs, it'll take a lot longer. Now I'm going to wander up to Stackpole Head before dropping down to Barafundle. So behind me is the pristine Barafundle Bay, and I think the word pristine gets thrown about quite a lot with beaches, but I think with Barafundle it's pretty much justified. Golden sanded, crystal clear waters, again backed by beautiful dune system. Is absolutely gorgeous. It claims all the awards, it sweeps up, and for good reason. Absolutely stunning beach. Again, it is dog friendly all year round. Beautiful. Now I'm going to wander down, pop onto the beach, and then head to Stackpole Quay and work my way back through lily ponds. Let's go. So back at the van after completing the walk, it was 9 kilometers in total and it took me just over 3 hours. That's because I spent a lot of time faffing around with the drone. Absolutely stunning walk. Like I said, you pass by 2 of Pembrokeshire's best beaches in Barafundle and Broadhaven South, and you get to walk through Bosherston Lily ponds twice. It's absolutely stunning. Now what I love about this walk is you can turn around at any point. So if you just want to loop the lily ponds, if you want to turn around at Broadhaven or turn around at Barafundle, you can do so. There's a cafe at Stackpool Quay, so if you want food and coffee, you can refuel there. What I will say is the path between Stackpool Quay and 8 Mile Bridge is extremely boring. It's about a mile, maybe a little bit less, of just straight farm track with electric fences either side. However, when you get to the bridge, the path back along the lily ponds is super quiet and really tranquil, so it's well worth doing because the initial part of the lily ponds can get quite busy and frantic. Managed to wear out Laszlo, which is always a good sign. But I hope you enjoyed, hope you found it useful. Give us a like if you're feeling generous and hit that subscribe button if you're feeling super generous. Until next time, diolch yn fawr.